In this video, we're going to talk about the bones that make up the lower appendicular skeleton, starting with the pelvic girdle, which is formed in an adult by two large pelvic bones, the coxa, which are actually three smaller bones that have fused into one. So each hip bone has three bones or three regions. The ilium, which is the upper part, the flat part, includes the iliac crest. The ischium, which is basically the part you sit on. It's at the back towards the bottom. And the pubis, the bottom front, where the pelvic bones connect in the front. They form a pubic arch between the two. And there's a pad of fibrous cartilage between those two that allows a little bit of flexibility in the hips, called the symphysis pubis. As we know, males and females are different, and one of the important differences in the skeleton is in the pelvis. Because women give birth, that pelvic brim, that opening for the birth canal, needs to be larger in the female than the male. So as a result, the female has iliac bones that are more flared for wider hips, a greater arch angle for the pubic arch, more distance between the ischial spines and ischial tuberosities. The sacral curvature is shorter and flatter. The sciatic arch, or sciatic notch, is larger in the female pelvis, and the bones are lighter in the female pelvis. As far as the lower limb bones of the leg, you have the thigh bone, femur, the kneecap, the patella, shin bone, the tibia, and fibula, the other lower leg bone. The ankles are the tarsals, the arch of the foot, the metatarsals, and then the phalanges. So the femur is the longest, heaviest, strongest bone of the body. It's your thigh bone. Patella is a flat sesamoid bone located within the patellar tendon, and it forms your kneecap, part of your knee joint. The shin bone is the tibia. The fibula is the smaller lateral bone to the tibia, and it's there to stabilize the tibia, but it doesn't bear any weight. You can see there's two prominences, one on the outside, the lateral malleolus, part of the fibula, and one on the inside, the medial malleolus, that makes kind of those two bumps in your ankle. The tarsals are the ankle bones. There's 14, so one less in each foot, 7 in each foot. The large heel bone is the calcaneus that transfers the weight of your body to the ground. The metatarsals form the arch of the foot, and again they're numbered 1 through 5 from the big toe towards the pinky toe, 5 in each foot, 10 total. And again, phalanges are exactly the same as they were in the hand, 14 in each foot. The big toe has a proximal and a distal phalanx. The rest of the toes have proximal, middle, and distal phalanx.